Hi, I'm Tina Patel. Why is it useful to engage your architect beyond the technical drawing stage? Although the process in our instance is completely flexible and you can engage us for as much or as little as you would like, unfortunately there are many aspects that can be overlooked. We appreciate that you may have never done this before, and if you have, things around legislation and obligations are constantly changing. With our experience and construction knowledge, we are likely to be better placed to spot things when things are not being done as specified on the drawings. Common things that we spot include builders adopting a cheaper insulation than what was specified. This means you think you will have a product that performs in a certain way, but in reality it impacts your long-term heating bills, and unfortunately if a cheaper product is used to cut the builder's costs, it is unlikely that saving will have been passed on to you. Similarly, we have condemned insulation not fitted correctly. If this was not done, then you may be left with issues of damp in the long run. These are just a small selection of things that we have spotted on site when we have managed the build. Had we have not spotted them, the client would pay the builder and in many instances be none the wiser until an issue crops up further down the line, which inevitably has a cost implication to resolve. Beyond the more technical aspects, we would be seeking to ensure that your vision is what is delivered, and we would work with the builder to see through the specific details to make this happen, coordinating the various aspects so that it all comes together sequentially as it should. We can also factor in changes that may occur on site as a result of something unknown being uncovered and respond with a solution that does not compromise the overall build. If you are time poor or you haven't done this before, we can also be the buffer between you and the builder, dealing with day-to-day technical queries so that you can be focused on getting the space you want. Fundamentally, if we are engaged through the process, we are looking to ensure that you are protected. You are not overpaying for changes and things are being done as they should. If this is done properly, then it is likely that we will save you money in the long run and allow for a stress-free, enjoyable build.